In this module, we will discuss polynomials in one variable. We are familiar with algebraic expressions, but here we are going to talk about a particular type of algebraic expressions called polynomials. Polynomials are algebraic expressions in which the exponents of the variable are non-negative integers. Also, we denote polynomials in the form of p of x. Let us have some examples of polynomials. Red and white boxes are polynomials in one variable as there is only one variable x, whereas blue has more than one variable, that is x and y. So is it polynomial in two variables? But green box is polynomial in three variables as it has three variables x, y and z. Now let us talk about the components of polynomial. In polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 5, 2x square is first term, minus 7x is second term, and 5 is the third term. So we can say the polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 5 has three terms. In equation y square plus 4y, it has two terms. And equation minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 5, it has four terms. In this polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 5, 2 and minus 7 are coefficients of x square and x respectively. 5 is constant and x is the variable and 2 in x square is exponent. We are also polynomials. Yes, integers 9, minus 2, 10, minus 6, 7 are also polynomials. They are constant polynomials. And the constant polynomial 0 is called zero polynomials. Now let us check which of these expressions are polynomials and non-polynomials. These are polynomials, but this is not, as this polynomial has negative exponent. And we have already talked in definition that exponent should be non-negative integer. Similarly, expression 3x raised to half minus 4 is not a polynomial as the exponent of x is not an integer. It is a rational number. General form of a polynomial. Family of polynomials can be classified on two bases, degree and number of terms. A general polynomial of one variable could have any number of terms. We can label degree 2 quadratic using letters ax square plus bx plus c. Also degree 3 cubic using letters ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. But for degree n, using letters won't work. So instead of a, b, c, etc., we use the letter a with a little number next to it, that is an x raised to n. In general case, now we can say an is the coefficient, the number you multiply by for x raised to n. N minus 1 is the coefficient for x raised to n minus 1, etc. down to a1, which is the coefficient for x because x raised to 1 is equal to x, and a0, which is the constant term because x raised to 0 is always equal to 1. Polynomials having one term are called monomial. 5xy, 4 upon 5 xy, p square q cube y are all monomials. Polynomials having two terms are called binomial. P of x is equal to x plus 1, q of x is equal to x square minus x, r of y is equal to y raised to 30 plus 1, t of u is equal to u raised to 43 minus u square are all binomials. Polynomials having 3 terms are called trinomials. P of x is equal to x plus x square plus pi. Q of x is equal to 2 plus x minus x square. R of u is equal to u plus u square minus 2, and t of y is equal to y raised to 4 plus y plus 5 are all trinomials. Let us consider this polynomial. Here a4 is equal to 9, a3 is equal to 0 because there is no x cube term, a2 is 5, a1 is minus 1 and a0 is equal to 7.